Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable 120 FPS on the Nintendo Switch 2 and explain what it really means for your gameplay. The Nintendo Switch 2 comes with a new screen that can show up 120 FPS, which means the image refreshes 120 times every second. This makes game look much smoother and more responsive, especially in fast action scenes. To turn on these settings, open the system settings on your Nintendo Switch 2, go to the display or video output section, find the option called 120 FPS mode and turn it on. But here's something important to know. This feature only works in handheld or tabletop mode, not when the console is connected to a TV, and it only works with games that support 120 FPS. Right now, only a few games like Metroid Prime 4 and Welcome Tour are built to run that smoothly. If the game does not support it, the Switch will still show 30 or 60 frames per second, even if you turn the settings on. Also, if you use this mode, the system might lower the video quality a little, for example from 4K to Full HD, to make sure the performance stays smooth. So yes, the Nintendo Switch 2 can show 120 FPS, but only in handheld mode and only in games that are designed for it. You just need to turn it on in the settings and try it with the supported games. If Nintendo adds more support in the future or allows it in TV mode, we will be sure to update you. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.